What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning back into HC Car Garage. Today we're going to be doing a couple of jobs, hopefully. I'm waiting on 2 of the people to send me times and address. But right now, we're going to go check out this thermostat leak on a 2019 Chevy Sonic. I went to go look at it today. I didn't record, but it was leaking pretty bad. And the customer said that it was changed. The thermostat was changed twice, but the thermostat housing is leaking. So we're gonna go check it out and see what the problem is. Hopefully it's nothing too big, but we'll figure it out whenever we take it apart. We'll catch you guys there. So we're here with the Chevy Sonic. It's leaking coolant from right down there. I had dried it up already, so that way I could capture the leak on camera. And so you can see that it's like leaking pretty bad. You see that white stuff all over the engine, coolant all the way over here on the intake air box. So yeah, we're gonna start this up real quick. Let's look at the leak and then go from there. And look how brown it is already. I think she got it done maybe 2 weeks ago, and it's already that color. So we're gonna be doing an oil change as well, because at the bottom there is a leak from the drain plug as well from the last person who worked on it. So yeah, we're gonna start this up real quick. As you can see, you can already see, I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it's already leaking liquid. On the right side, but you can already clearly see it's leaking. Then you come to the bottom. The bottom, it's leaking straight from there pretty badly. And then this is the oil drain pan.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It already has oil leaking out of it. Possible leak spot right here. You can automatically see coolant dripping out. And I can see it going down. So that could be the leak spot. Let's go ahead and take this apart. Properly, but fuck that. I don't give a fuck the whole world. Proper. Why are you taking that off? Cause it's So what are you doing to this car? No spark plugs or nothing like that? No. It's got a bigger hose. Put your finger over there. Hmm? You don't even need to take that hose off. Just like, yeah, just curve that bitch. It's gonna. She's gonna squirt. She's gonna squirt. Let go. Just let go. Oh, you bought it already?
It's a whole different valve. This is the only housing.
So, oh yeah, so this piece right here that comes from right here up, that's that one piece you need to get. Let me see.
Cause it's like this. Let me see. It's like this.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Maybe like this.
Like that, yeah, because that long piece is right there.
Letting the coolant drain from here. Here with my boy Wiki. So let's crack that Fortnite.
Crack that Fortnite, yeah.
I'll get back to you when this done dripping. Sammy's?
Yeah, I wouldn't look that bad. I just get the yellow ones, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, time for the big boss to step in. This rookie behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? Can't get to it. Him and my rag. Hurry up, client.
He's still in training.
Training these nuts. I don't want no cooling on my damn shirt. It's Tokyo right here, but I gotta turn it inside out. Or they assume.
Yeah. The thermostat housing out. It's all one piece.
I
It's
got
leaking.
I got the thermostat.
It's leaking from here and then a little bit from over there. Fucking all this don't give us the wrong part.
Very unprofessional. Mickey Mouse job. Mickey Mouse job.
So we need to go get the right part.
Mickey Mouse job.
So while Ricky goes to get the right part, we're gonna start working on oil change. It's gonna be very quick and easy. Oh! What the heck? It looks like a melted chocolate. Gonna come up here and we're gonna release this one off. Okay, so the camera died. I didn't realize it until now, but the camera had died while we were in the middle of working it. Got everything put back together. Got the new thermostat housing got put together. And then we did the oil change. Everything looking good. No more leaks, which is not good. Yeah, right away. It would drip. You would see drips right away underneath. So catch you soon.
We're gonna go fix a rear door hatch. No, we're gonna go fix a rear door latch. Hatch latch. I don't know. On a 2007 Toyota Sequoia.
Hey, he said it doesn't open or doesn't open from the inside.
I'm not too sure. I didn't ask that. We're here at the Toyota Sequoia, and got my boy Dustin right there.
What's that new?
So we gotta work in the dark.
Go get the red one. Where would it be at?
In the same spot.
I didn't see no more.
It's gonna be in there. Did you get the red one?
What?
The red one. Red, red and black. Eventually I will be getting a lens, so that way it looks a little bit better. But
the other extension should be inside that bag.
I know, I've seen it.
I still gave you the small one.
I'm gonna hand it to you, right? How do you think it'd be the brake to use if you use the impact?
What do you mean? It'll go hella quick.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah.
I thought somebody was calling me, but that's much my leg tingling. Oh. Hold this clip.
One hour later.
So we found what the problem was, and we didn't record it because it was damn irritating. It wasn't, oh shit, it wasn't the door latch, like with the handle that's, you know, up in there. It was the lock latch actuator thing. Had to pry it open basically to get it open, and it was just too irritating to record. Me and my boy over here, Justin, I started cramping.
No, it does roll down all the way.
I told you, but I'm not too sure if the guy's gonna want to replace it. He said he's just happy with how it opens. Doesn't care about it locking, but
Oh, it hits this right here.
yeah, it hits that black thing. So just to the thing that covers that latch down there, the black cover case down here is blocking.
You cannot set it like on top of the thing.
No, because it's bent.
Oh, I know what you mean.
You had to.
You have to get a new one.
Yeah, it's
But
bad
if
anyway.
you
It was
gotta- if
really,
you-
it was really seized. Did you not
If,
see how hard
yeah,
it pulled?
if you put a new one right now on the thing, you can put it in, or you have to take this.
I'm
out.
pretty sure I have to take. Actually, I think it'll just go. I think it'll go in order. Hold the camera. It probably will go in easy because this thing is not that big.
Oh, so this is just the cover.
That's the cover. That cover covers like the whole latch and stuff.
Oh, but that thing right there needs to. It comes out and goes in. Oh, okay.
This could come out too. It's just, I'm not taking this regulator off. It's just too much. I felt these were just bolts. If these were just bolts, I would have did it. But these are nuts.
Yeah.
So the customer didn't want us to finish the repair. He wanted to just leave it as it is. Say he was satisfied with it, opening and closing. Doesn't matter if it locks or not. So me and Ricky just gonna put everything back, leave the lock thing like how it is. And the wires are disconnected. He said he was fine. He might have us come back later and do the repair, like at a later day or later time. He wants me to send him a quote first to see how much that's gonna cost, because I came here and I gave him a quote thinking it was the handle thing, and I wouldn't have charged him any extra if he wanted me to do the repair right now for the lock thing, even though it's possibly gonna cost more. But he wants to leave it as it is, and
we'll go from there.